On a typical building project, a design team needs several months to develop a concept, select materials, and produce contract documents. For some owners, shortening this process may seem appealing. However, a shorter design timeline can come with some drawbacks. And today we're going to talk about what those could look like. I'm Dave Zarodnik, Vice President here at Newman Munson Architects. Although a shorter design timeline may offer some benefits, it comes with drawbacks. Shortening the process can lead to quality assurance issues, a lack of vision, and even higher design fees. Owners considering this approach should carefully weigh the pros and cons. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 problems with a short design timeline. A short design timeline can lead to quality issues, whether for new construction or renovation. Design teams need time to coordinate with consultants and create thorough contract documents. Without enough time for this, the risk of errors, omissions, and change orders increases, potentially delaying construction and rising costs. Contractors rely on detailed contract documents for accurate bids. If the documents are rushed and less detailed, contractors might inflate bids to cover uncertainties, ultimately leading to higher construction costs. Early in the design process is the best time to form a project's vision. Pre-design activities like benchmarking tours, visioning workshops, and user surveys help set clear goals and explore different project approaches. While these activities may extend the design timeline, they are crucial for success. They allow you to make well-informed decisions and get the most value for your construction budget. Making changes early is less costly and time-consuming than doing so later. A thorough early design process ensures a smoother and more confident start to construction. Building projects must navigate regulatory hurdles to ensure public safety, which can cause delays. Code reviews, depending on the project's size and scope, can take months. The process usually begins with a preliminary review during the schematic designs, followed by a formal review before construction. The duration of these reviews vary by project and location, and they typically cannot be expedited. Be sure to factor in the time required for code reviews when planning your design timeline. Shorter design timeline typically means higher architectural fees, since maintaining high quality on tight schedules requires more resources. Design fees reflect this increased demand. Limited time can also restrict consultant options, possibly leading to less experienced teams. Some may accept higher fees to avoid other costs, like rising interest rates. However, it's important to understand that a shorter timeline and a limited budget rarely result in a high-quality project. When planning to fast-track the design process, you need a solid understanding of your project's budget, program, and scope. Understanding these components will minimize disruptions and keep the process moving. Learn more by reading about the factors that slow the design process.